Let's begin by laying out all the components: the wooden panels, metal frames, Allen screws, Allen key, and the bottom bushes. Now, take one square metal frame and align the straight metal bar to one side, just like this. Secure it in place using a long Allen screw. Next, take the other square frame and attach it to the opposite end of the straight metal bar. Again, use a long Allen screw to tighten and fix it firmly. Your metal structure is now ready for the wooden panels. Take the top wooden panel and place it over the upper frame. Tighten it from all sides as shown. Now gently tilt the assembled frame as shown. Now, take the second wooden panel and position it at the bottom of the frame. Tighten all the screws to hold it firmly in place. Fix the bottom bushes at all four corners. This helps with alignment and balance. And that's it. Your microwave kitchen stand is now ready to use.